Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to find all the posts that you have liked on Threads in 2025 so that you can revisit the content, repost it or keep the track of all the great conversations. So make sure that you stick around till the end for a neat organization tip to bookmark the best finds. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Threads mobile application. Then you need to simply log in into your account. Afterwards, tap on your profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on these two lines in the top right hand corner and it will redirect you in the settings of your Threads account. Over here you will be able to see this liked option. So if you tap on the liked option, you will be able to see all of the posts that you have liked in reverse chronological order. So as you can see, currently I haven't liked any of the post, that's why it is not showing to me. But here let's say I liked this particular post. Now if I go back to my profile icon, then if I go back in my liked section, as you can see, this is the post that I liked and it is now here in my liked section. So here you can tap on this profile and you can simply just tag it over here. You can bookmark it very easily and this makes your likes feed a great gallery of the content that you want to revisit. This is how you can view your liked posts on Threads in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe for more Threads tips and comment below if you want me to create a video on any other topics relating to Threads. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.